Why did I hold on to this atrocity for so long? What was I thinking? To start, all you'll need is some craft sticks, some wood craft cubes, a hot glue gun, a paint or stain if you would like, an organizer, and some ornament hooks. You'll also need some pliers. So I knew that I wanted about 4 diamond patterns, so I began with creating one by placing one craft stick on top of the other in a triangle shape, putting 1 dab of hot glue and pressing it down a bit. Once I've done that, I use that as my pattern for the rest of them, so all of them can look pretty much identical. Once I'm ready to put them together, I add a little dab of hot glue to each end of the sticks and join the 2 triangles together to make a diamond. And then just join them to the other triangles and keep that going. Take the cubes and place them on each spot where the craft sticks overlap. And you'll only need a dab of hot glue for this as well. So this is how it looks after I painted it with the Waverly paint. And now I'm using a hot glue gun to attach 2 different stems of greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby. And to make sure they were nice and sealed down, I used hot glue as well as some E6000 glue to finish at the end. For the second little piece of this jewelry hanger, I spray painted the ornament hooks gold, and then once they were dry, I went ahead and used some pliers to put 3 of them together. I will say, as a tip, I would put the hooks together prior to spray painting them because the pliers took off some of the spray paint. So I'm going to be putting 4 hooks in, 2 in the middle and 1 on each side. And one side of the hook I made go straight so that way I could put it right through the organizer and then seal it with some hot glue. And I sealed that on the top and on the bottom. To hang this on the wall, I just used some nails, a hammer, and some 2-sided tape to hold the wooden organizer in place. Before doing so, I marked some points on the wall with a pencil and then just put the nails on that marked area. To clean it up a bit, if you have something to fill the holes from the previous hanger, do that. But I didn't have that, so I just went with it. And then to camouflage the nails for the organizer piece of the jewelry hanger, you can spray paint those gold. I just really love how this came out. And I'll show a few clips to show the versatility of it. It's amazing. It brings out a certain simplicity and minimalism compared to the other one. I decluttered my jewelry collection a lot. I only kept the things up that I wear on a daily basis or that I actually wear at all. I can not only put jewelry on here, but sunglasses, perfumes, polishes, anything you might use on a daily basis that you want to just grab is great. It's beautiful and it's functionally amazing. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY jewelry organizer. Catch you in the next episode of this series. Bye.